ये देखिए फ्रेंड, ये है मार्शल ब्लूटूथ. दिस इज़ अ मार्शल ब्लूटूथ मेजर फ्री. This is his speaker. This is both speaker. This is in good condition, but this model failure. In this Bluetooth, the module is not working, so I can't repair this module because it's shorted from its power supply. So just I had a problem in this Bluetooth, some wiring issue. This is this wiring going from here to the battery circuit. This is this battery. This is his battery. This cage, this is the battery, his storage, and this cage is the module cage. Then the power supply goes to battery to his module from these wires, and in this module I show you where is the wiring diagram and how to do his wiring. But this module is not working, so this Bluetooth can't work. I want to bring some new module and fit it. I want to fit him in this module. So this module is not working. The power supply is gone, and this processor tripping it. Some ICs are not working. So I am totally fitting it, and I'm fitting it and giving back to the customer because it's not repairable. The Marshall not allow or not available its module on the sides, and now I am showing you the details of this wiring harness of this module. I have one video. I will show in you this video. This is working but not working properly and not turning on because the supply get failure. The supply from this processor, this small processor to an battery, between there is the circuit of power supply go to the processor, and some ICs tripping it to not start. So this module get fail and it's not repairable. I don't know this works or not, but I am completing all the wiring of these speakers. This is the power supply socket. This is then pin how to charge, and this is then small motherboard to fix it from here. See this, I can fit it like here. This is small pins attached to this small bracket, and see this, here is the reset button, but I don't know how to use this reset button. See, this is an reset button. When we take a small type of little bar type, we can put here from in this headphone pin and push it the reset button, but I don't know how to use this reset button. I don't have any manual to check how to use this reset button and how to repair. On YouTube I don't have any videos. About this Marshall headphone, how to use and how to start this Marshall module. But simultaneously I am using some wire to jump this to start. When I am jumping the wire of this, just see here we have first ground, then INTC, but that INTC comes from battery. This is battery, yellow color wire. See, INTC fit here, black for ground and red for positive. That is red battery. It is for battery. And just a minute, that key 4, key 1 and key 2 is not usable, or key 3 also not usable, but key 5 is usable. When we jump key 5 to battery positive, the module will start. If you want to start this module and your wire or your button is not working to start, then you can jump both wire, key number 5 and key battery positive. The module will start, but you want to give the power supply of module to your give this battery supply to your module. Just solder all 3 wires and then jump the battery positive wire to key 5, then the module will start. But in this case the module is not working. Because the circuit from processor to battery power supply, it's not connected because the IC not working. So we will repair this. but I can't repair this because I don't have any special tool and I don't know about this electronic part, so I can't repair this. So I'm fitting all this part and giving back to the customer. Now I show you some images of see this. In this Marshall headphone you can see the small type of, this is power supply socket. It's in this socket you the battery, 3 wires, ground, positive and the NCT, which attach it to here. In this you can attach your battery wire. Here you can see this is battery positive. Here NTC yellow color wire. This is the ground wire. This both for your speaker coming from the module. This two coming from the module. This is the positive wire which go direct to your switch. In this switch you can see these 5 wires, that key 1, key 2 and key 3. See that K1, K2, that is K means key, K1, K2, K3, K4 and K5. But this button shorts the main battery wire. This is main positive battery wire to K5. Where is the K5? I will show you. K5 is here. Just see that blue color wire, and this is wire. The blue color wire is not attached to the originally. Now then I changed the wire because the wire get broken between from here. Here is wire has broken inside in this loop. Then I changed the connection of that wire to on the module, but the module is not owning. If you want to turn on your module, if it is not turning on, you want to check the first step, the power supply coming to the battery power supply coming to the module. If module getting the power supply of battery, then you want to short this battery positive wire to K5. Then that Bluetooth will on, the module will on, blinking his blue or white color light. And that time you also want to attach this small type of pin in your module. Just I will show you. Just my camera is too much blurring up. Just a minute. Yes, now see this small circuit also attached with it. When you short the K5 and when you short the battery positive and K5, the light will glow and your module will start. If anything wrong in your module, the module will not start and module will fail. If you want to change this module, then your Marshall headphone will work. But this module is not working, so I am fitting all this part and giving back to the customer. The key is, when you switch this key to push it, the this key works like a 5-way switch. You press for 2 seconds, the module will start. You press one time, the key will attach, the point will attach the key 5, any type of wire, but the module will set it by any software. It will work simultaneously. What is the program given from the company, which program company had given to switch. Any type of program which fitted with the module has programmed or given a software to this module. But if you want to start the module, that is the process to short the battery positive wire to key 5, or in this socket key K5, and check all wire connectivity. This all wire connectivity to module, you want to check the connectivity using the multimeter. This is the multimeter in my hand. You want to take it on diode mode and take the both pin of this multimeter and check each wire of this wire. Here, this wire to here. In this case, to this case, the wire is going from here. You want to check all wire using diode mode of multimeter. Each wire you want to check with multimeter. If any wire fail to work, the module will make some type of faults, but this module is not working. So I'm fitting all this and give it back to the customer. I'm not repairing this module because I don't know how to repair this module, and some technically faults I don't know how to catch that fault. So everything is looking okay in this, but it is not turning on, so I'm fitting it. Okay, only this I want to show you, the keys, the small circuit. In this small circuit I will show you some images to be in this video. I will show you some images. This is a small battery, 3.7 volt, 8/6/2016. This is 5 years old Marshall module. 5 years old. This is a Marshall module. If you just check, see, 680 milliampere hours, 2.52 watt hours, and the battery is 3.7 volt. The Marshall headphone is 5 years old, 5 years, not 6 years old. Now the working, now this video in 2021, and this is olden headphone, it has gone it. This is his battery, this is module, the wire are gone mad. Now I will fit it. This you want to fit like this. This is you want to fit. This is your, see, this is your module fitted. I fitted like this here. I had zoomed my camera, so it is too small. This is your small module. This is your switch. This is your switch. Here is small bracket. If you pull it up, the switch will come out. This is small. See, this is the all I had fitted. Now I am fitting this speaker, all this wire, and fitting one side. I am completing, this is one side. Then second side I am completing this module. I fit this all module. I will show you small images of this module of how to do the wiring of this small wire switch. Here is shown all the wiring diagram name. So we don't want to show you any type of diagram, but I will show you the image of this module. Now I complete this. It is night timing. देखिए ये मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया. आई हैड कंप्लीटेड दिस मार्शल हेडफोन fully. I had fitted everything. Just hold this phone like this. Okay. See this, you want to, if you want to remove this pad to cleaning, you want to turn it like this and it will come out. And you want to just don't clean this speaker, only just do whatever you want, but don't harm this speaker diaphragm, and clean this if you want to clean. But this Marshall headphone is not working. In my video you can see, if you want to start your Marshall headphone by jumping the both of pins of key 5 and battery point, then you will start. But this Marshall headphone is not working. In this Marshall headphone the module is failed. If I want to start this headphone, I want to bring this new module, or I want to repair this module, but I can't repair this module. It's not repairable. If I want to repair this, I want to take this module to a professional. I had fully fitted all the parts in this. I will give it back to the customer. This is 2016 model Marshall Major 3 Bluetooth. Okay, bye bye. Thanks. Please subscribe my channel. That is my automotive channel, but I had also bringed this Marshall headphone for your users to know what is inside this Marshall headphone and how to repair.